Hello everybody, Second Minute here. Today I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be playing some more Roblox, but it's not no role play. It ain't that the story. No. Today I don't know what's gonna be happening. I'm gonna rob, the store. I'm gonna be killing people. There's a lot of ways to be killing. I could be getting girlfriends. I could be, I don't know. But yeah, I'm playing Hotel Elephant here. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. Is there a Clark at the store? Because if there is, I know two things how I could play with them. I don't know if there's a Clark or not. And I don't think I'm gonna find out until a while, because I only have $500, so I need to wait. 5. No. That's 3.5 minutes is how long I'm gonna have to wait till I can find out if there's a Clark in that store. Which is probably not, because there's not any boats over there. But I mean, what if it despawned while they were over there? Because I hate when that happens. All the vehicles just despawn. Alright, but in the meantime, I'm gonna try to get a room. Room 8. Room 6. Randomly choose a room. Room 1. Room 5. Room 7. Room 4. Is there any flipping rooms? I'm just random clicking. Alright, here we go. I don't know what room this is, so I'm gonna go see. After this, I'm gonna go to the casino so I don't have to wait as long. Maybe I'll hit a jackpot and win like $6,000. That's actually the most I've ever won. Room 1? Oh, that's not mine. Room 2? Nope, that's not mine. Oh, yes it is. Okay, so now I'm the owner of room 2. Room 2 ain't that bad. Except it's got a really smushed bathroom, but I guess that's alright. Now I'm gonna go play the casino so I can get some extra cash really fast. Wait, no, I can already. Wait, what? Because 500 plus 400 is 900. So how the heck did I get this much cash? I don't know, but I'm gonna get a jet ski. I'm gonna see if anyone's at that store. If not, then this is just gonna be my ride for now. I don't know. No, I don't think anybody's here. Nope. Alright, well, might as well get changed. I really only wear 3 outfits. One is a red bikini, and then the other one is a black hoodie with black jeans, and my favorite is like this. This is my favorite outfit right here. So yeah, if I could just hop up in here without being falling through the map and having my jet ski left there. You know what? I want to change my face. I'm gonna have a smirk. Plus, I go in a secret room, but I don't think I should. Just because. Alright, here, there's this shack. Wait, do these cost money now? That'll be some bullcrap. Oh, shoot. I used to love the old Hotel Elephant. You didn't have to pay for anything. Oh, yes, alright. This one? What does this one look like? Heck no. This. I already like it right off the bat. Alright, I'm out. Alright, so I gotta wait. Never mind. Shoot, man. Oh, shoot. Well, alright. Who's Agent Joseph? Is that even what it says? You know, I'm gonna be following Agent Joseph and his girlfriend. Does he have a girl in there? No, it's a girl driving a boy. Oh, I knew there was a girl in there. Alright. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna act like I'm a shopkeeper of this place. You know, hopefully something interesting will happen because I know there's freaking 3 vehicles pulling up right now. Wow. And then you got mine over there in the crowded corner. I don't even know if it's there anymore. The heck? Wanna be friends? Hello. Wanna be friends? Miss Kate. Want to be friends? Yeah, I'm about to change my name too. Alright, wait, she's coming up to me. Nope. Okay. I'll change my name real quick. Kind of. Agent Joseph, you're a dork. Shoot, I spent it. I guess probably something messed that up. Alright. Alright, here we go. Alright, so I finally just took care of those customers. They just drove off, and guess I'm gonna end my day at work. Woohoo! Oh! You kidding me? That's some bullcrap. Yeah. Alright. You aren't gonna give me anything to drink, I guess. So I'll just... Bye. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Okay, now I can pick random. Alright, let's play. $120. That means I lost $30. Man. I'm gonna give somebody $70. Hey, you wanna bet? I'll bet $70, alright, bud? Hit. Bust! Alright. I don't really care. It's actually pretty good. I was hoping I got a bust. Alright. So now I just lost $100 from the casino. But you know, it's all good, man. Alright, you know what? Life is boring as normal guy, so there's no clerk at the store. I'm about to just go buy a jet, change my outfit into the killer one. And yeah. Just speeding off, just speeding off. You know what I'm gonna do? Cause I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be a nice guy in this hoodie stuffy. I don't wanna buy no boat. I don't wanna buy no boat. Ooh. Okay, so I gotta find somebody first. You know, the first one's probably just gonna be 50. Okay, so I have that ready. So I'm just gonna walk up to somebody. Wait, is this an English banner? Yes. Alright, so this is a newbie. Perfect. A newbie. That's why she's at the front desk to get her room. Oh, was she even talking to me? Oh no, I'm just gonna throw 50 at her. Wait, what was her name anyway? Okay. No, the first one's probably just gonna be $10. 25. Okay, so I just sent her $25. Okay. See, this is what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, so I got it ready. Oh no, that's the same. No, it's not. You know what, my friend girl? You only get $5 for not responding. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna spend that extra time. I have $775. Oh, shit. Coming back up? Nope, alright. There has to be some more people up here. Come on, nobody. Alright, here. Oh shoot, nope, she just disappeared. She's a ghost. You know what? Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed. This video is pointless, but you know, I'm soaking up a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.